Okay, we're back in another vacation. Okay, so, I wonder what this is around. It looks like the same airport. Okay, we're just gonna wait for the papers to come in. Come on, guys. Join with us. Join with us. Oh, it's only 5 now. I can't join with only just 5. Wait. Let's wait for the countdown. Countdown, guys. Countdown. What are you guys doing? Okay. Oh, it looks like, oh, look. There's my seat. I already found my seat. It's good. The 4 of us. Okay. Bro. Look on the chair. It has your name. Where does to own it? My name is Kaylee. I will be your pilot in this flight. Oh, okay. Wait, didn't I remember you? As you can probably tell, this is not a regular plane. I know it's not, but I think I remember you. Weren't you the crew from welcome to 99. Oh my god. You're right. The president would like to celebrate personally with you guys. So the president inside this? You saved an airplane last time. Yep, so I'm saying, are you just one of the crew members from that plane we were last time? We still don't understand how the captain lost control that time. Anyways, you saved the day, and now the reason we are here. That is the reason why we're here. Alright, enough chatting. Please find a seat that has a golden label with your name on it, as we are to cross an area of high turbulence. Yeah, I already know there's going to be a turbulence, and I'm already sitting down. We're already sitting down, so let's see how this turbulence will. What? Dude, we could have just crashed. Why did that turbulence just happen then? Did we just do a barrel roll? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Thank you for your cooperation. Okay. I have been informed a president agent is waiting for you in the next room. Please find him for further instruction. Okay, let's go, guys. Huh? What? What are those guys doing over there? And remember, no one should know about this. Know about what? Know about what? You didn't hear us. Did anyone else see that? Yes, we did. What was that all about? Oh. Welcome to the presidential plane. You're suspicious. I saw you in that window, and he doesn't realize. And congratulations for what you have done. Your crunchy is grateful. Follow me to the next room. I will give you some instructions. I don't know, man. You're kind of suspicious. Oh. Okay. Oh, that's okay. This is fine, but I still don't trust it. President is getting ready. He will meet you in the dining room in a couple of minutes. But there is something you must know before that. And what is that? The president is very special. He gets mad very easily. I know what presidents are. Please do everything we say and do not cause any trouble in the plane. Okay, I'm just gonna get that water bottle. That's all. President should be almost ready. Why don't you guys grab a glass of water while we're waiting? Oh no, I'm so sorry. Just yourself with the wait with us two of them. Where is she? Look at the mess. The president will going to be so sad. Please find something to clean this mess, or else we will have to lock the rest of the flight. Crew only. Oh, I found the broom. Okay, 40 seconds left. Come on, where? They already climbed the mop. Right, it's clean. Please don't let that happen again. President is ready now. Please follow me to the dining room. The dining room? Okay. Guys, one at a time. Ooh. Wow. Yo, this is sick. President? Wow, he looks really mad. Build that brick wall. Wait, what? I'm sorry. It's the habit. Also, his name is Ronald. Anyways, welcome to my airplane. Okay, well, welcome to. My name is Ronald. I can tell because it says down there. I'm the president of the Robloxian states. Okay, you must know you are heroes for this nation. We have a delicious meal prepared for this special moment. Sorry to interrupt you, Mr. President. The food is not ready yet. I believe the chef messed up. What? Throw that chef out this plane. We will take care of him, Mr. President. Timmy, great you. You look like a great chef. Phew, it's not me because I'm a kid and I don't know how to do it. But, Mr. President, I have never cooked before. That means he's a kid too. Well, you better learn quick, or else I'm throwing you out the plane too. How about you go out the plane, cause we do not know how to cook. You president. Timmy Collector, I will tell you the ingredients that you have to find them into the soup pot before the time runs out. Wait, hold on, he's in there. If we grab the wrong ingredient, throw in the trash can. But be quick. Are you ready? He's not in here. Time to cook. He's not in there. He left. The soup needs potato. Dude, let me cook instead. Let me cook. Dude, I think we're gonna automatically win. Looks like that guy didn't actually want to cook because he doesn't know what to cook. Oh my yeah, look at the flame. Jimmy Granger is taking too long. Take it out! Well, you don't have to take him out because he already left. Don't leave. It looks delicious. Everybody take a seat. Okay, we got 10 seconds left and we already sitting. Look at this soap. I like the soap. Soap. Don't leave. Andrew. Yummy, 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 yummy. Whew. Where's the president? We hope you enjoyed the soup. President had to leave early. Oh, okay. He should be meeting you again at the presidential suite. Okay. Please follow me. Follow the path to the computer room. The computer room? Oh, it's right here already. Okay. This is the computer room. That's what it is. Welcome to the computer room. Okay. We use this room to protect any cybernetic attack to our systems. The president is waiting in the presidential suite. It's right there. You just shut it. Okay. In order to protect the president, we created a secret code that unlocks the door. Now you must try to figure out the code. Good luck, hackers. Also, we have to copy the color that's on the TV up there. Okay, I found one. No. There. Purple. This. Oh, we did. Come on, guys, we have to find the purple. Oh, we did. Come on. Yes. Come on, get out of the way. Boom. We did. Oh, there we go. Whoa. We really need to work and need to work in the room. Meet the president in the next room. We're already in the room. Oh, you girls doing? Stop tapping on it, chihuahuas. Okay. Okay, stop tapping on the chihuahuas. Hello again. Sorry, I had to leave early. You already know that. Why do you have to say every single time? I had to, get everything ready. For what? Yeah. Anyways, as a very special guest, I will let you sleep in my presidential bed. For some reason, I can't find the keys. Can you look for them? They should probably be here somewhere around this room. Don't tell me it's in the drawer. She already found it. Okay, that's why she was standing on the door. Great. Now let's open the door now. Ooh, this is fancy. Why does this have curtains? This is sus. That's sus. This is where you will be spending the night. I hope there's rooms for everyone. I will give you guys time to get comfy. Yeah, I will get comfy. Let's sleep. 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 Oh, it's nighttime already. Oh, I've been sleeping for a while. I did not know it's nighttime now. I can't sleep. There is something about this flight that scares me. About what, like behind there? Guys, the curtain. Uh, I want the president to blow me off. What is going on? Wait. No. Monster, monster. Monster from last time. Oh no. Did you forget about me so early? Fire! We need to run. Don't look back. Oh my god. We have to go to the other side of the plane. Oh my god. Storage. There. Oh, I think we have to get on this. Because this is what fire is all about. It's about, well, I'll tell you when it shows up. It's all about, I'm just gonna say it early. Are we safe now? I don't think so. It's all about lava. That's why we're on this. So that we can be safe from this lava. I mean, how is this lava supposed to be on the plane? That doesn't make any sense. It's gonna melt the plane. The fire is gone. Huh. What is happening? What are ghosts doing? Oh! Guys, the phone is ringing. We should pick up. I got it. Hello? Who's there? Hey guys. I'm glad you picked up. Oh, it's the pilot. Okay. Something terrible is happening on this plane. You already know that. You don't say. I can't tell you much through the phone. I need you guys to come up the pilot cabin. Okay? The problem is the door is locked. Just give me a minute while I try to unlock it. Okay? Get closer while I do not that. But be careful. The monster might still be around. Okay. Oh, we're out. Okay. You will not escape this time. More. Where are we supposed to go? Oh no! Don't let him catch you! Where? Oh, he's right there! He's right there! No! 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 Why is he chasing me? Don't chase me! Get them! No! 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 No. 25 seconds left. He has to be gone. He's flying. Oh no. Run for your life. Oh no. Where are we supposed to go? No. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes. The door is opened. Get in. Okay, we have to run. Oh my god. Huh? Kelly? Great, everyone is here. Oh, where are the buttons? What is going on? We shot that monster again. Did he follow us here? I don't know. It didn't follow you here. It made you come here again. What? I knew there was something wrong here. Actually, she knew. Both of these two, I forgot. The good news is, I'm not just a pilot. I'm also a secret agent, and I know a lot about this monster. You do? He once used to be a human, but he had no friends. As a matter of fact, no one ever liked him. And there was something about planes. He was always so obsessed with planes. In a scary way. He liked to read news about plane crashes. Oh, I don't think I would like that. So he tried to make a plane crash himself. Luckily, he died of a heart attack. That day, he was about to do it. His spirit still chases people like you guys, because he blames you for his death. Oh, now that you know that story about Monster, you must know he could take any shapes. He could be any agent or even the president. But I'm not sure yet. I think it's the president. Take this gun. I want the gun. I want to shoot the president. I know it's the president. You only have one chance to discover him and oof him. So who is taking the gun? The shot. I will do it. Extra president. President. It's the president. It's the president. It's Ronald. There you are. We've been looking for you. It's over. We discovered you monster. Wait! Put that gun down. What are you doing? We know it's you. We know about the plan to kill us. Oofus. We know one of you is the monster. Hey, Ronald. You are making a huge mistake. We are not monsters. I don't trust you. Yeah, when I first met you, I didn't trust. It's Ronald. I don't trust you. Who did she shoot? Yes, she shot the Ronald. Like I said, you made a huge mistake. What? Oh, okay, I think we time traveled. Speaking of we, where are the others? I think I'm the only one. So, am I the only one that's in this plane? I'm the one that traveled? Like, time traveled? Yo, I time traveled. But this is great since I know everything now. The agent was actually the monster. I thought it was Ronald because he keeps on pushing us like he always do. Because that's what presidents are all about. So, Who cares? He's still bossy. And then I don't like bossy. Well, the good thing it's just me because I can just shoot the agent. Also, I have to cook by myself, which is probably going to be hard. I'm just gonna sit down. Yeah.